Cha Igbo kwenu. Cha Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwezuonu. Igbo unu bụ ife. Igbo. Ndị Igbo unu bụ ife. Ndị Igbo, the Catholic bishop in Portsmouth, United Kingdom. You can see now they have their robe with Isi-Agu. It is a fantastic thing to behold. That means Ndị Igbo are going places. The attire that Ndị Igbo are known for is now being used by the Catholic bishops outside the shores of Nigeria. In order to conduct mass, they wear them. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. I still remain Mike Udenta. If you look at these pictures, you will see something extraordinary here. Many people online have argued that this ought not to make any news, but we at Njenje Media will disagree. You know why? Yes, we wear suits. We wear whatever the white have developed, or what they call their own, garment. But we think this is something to celebrate because we have Efulefus in form of priests in Nigeria who do not think or who consider wearing their native garbs as something that is not right. But here we are. The things that some of these priests will not touch is the thing that the bishops, those that brought Christianity to you, those that asked us to pray, asked us to close our eyes, and before we opened our eyes, our resources were no more to be found. Now they are the ones wearing your Isi-Agu, whereas our Efulefus at home cannot even proudly wear their Isi-Agu, wear their traditional attires. If it is a Shoke of the Yorubas, if it is Agbada Danchiki of the Hausa Fulanese, or Isi-Agu of the Igbos, no, or the tie and dyes of the Igala people, no, they won't try it, but they will rather wear suit and put tie, even like a goat that is being taken to the market in scorching sun. They will dress in that way. But here we are, the same people that brought Christianity to you suddenly are realizing that you are the fountain of evolution. Evolution started from the mother Africa. Now suddenly they are realizing it and they are beginning to go back to those things that were considered abomination before. Do you know that today things are beginning to change? Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwezuonu. Proudly, Ndị Igbo, anywhere.